Hello friends, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope my all lovely friends fine and good. Welcome to back my YouTube channel Trendy Pattern Design. In this video, I am going to show you some super cute crochet baby shoes design. These tiny shoes design handmade and fully of love, which makes them very special for little ones. Crochet baby shoes design are soft, light and very comfortable. Because they are made with wool or cotton, they feel gentle on the baby feet and keep them warm at the same time. These designs come in many styles. Some are simple with plain stitches while others have ribbons, button or small flowers to make them even cuter. Every pair has its own charm and beauty. Colors make these shoes more lovely. Light shades like pink, blue, yellow, and white look sweet and perfect. Bright colors make these shoes fun and playful. And sometimes mixing two or these colors make them designs stand out of even more. Baby shoes are also a wonderful gift ideas. Whether for a newborn baby or a baby shower, these handmade shoes are always a thoughtful and unique person. The best part is crochet shoes are drawable and washable too. They stay nice fresh even after many uses. If you like any of this design in this video, you can let me know in the comment box. I can also make the same design for if you want. So if you want something cute, handmade and special for your baby, crochet shoes are the perfect choice. Don't forget to subscribe to Trendy Pattern Design channel for more creative crochet ideas and press the bell icon button so you never miss my new updates. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. See you in the next video. Take care. Allah Hafiz.